Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I transformed this closet into an office space. So if you're ready, please keep watching. So this is how my closet looks like. I've previously removed the hanging bar, and I added a shelf just to put some stuff on, and I also hanged some hooks so that the boys could put their books and their bags in when they come back from school. But I'm gonna change it to make it into a office space, so that for those who are working temporarily or for a longer term from home, this is a nice upgrade you can do to a closet that you're not necessarily using to have an office space in your house. So the first thing I did was to remove everything that was in here, and I just had a bin next to me and I put everything in there so that after I make this place, anything I wanted to reuse, I was able to grab it, and anything else I would just donate or just store them. So here I'm just removing everything, cleaning out, and I'll be removing all of the attached stuff as well, like the hooks as well as the lamps. After I have everything cleaned, I have some leftover wallpaper from my front door entryway makeover that I'm going to use for this project, and I think just putting some wallpaper in this space would make it really nice to sit and look at while you're working. So that's what I'm going to do here, and I'll be placing the wallpaper before I do the next steps. If you are joining the DIY Residence for the first time, then welcome. I upload new videos every week, and I share the many DIY projects that I do in hopes to inspire others to do crafts. So if this is something that interests you, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you don't miss on any of my future projects. After putting the wallpaper in, I found out that this table or the laptop desk from IKEA was the perfect size for my space, and the measurements was the perfect fit. So I went ahead and I got one of these tables and I put it together, and now I'm just gonna slide it in place and hope it fits in my spot. So as you can see, it was the perfect fit, and I love this minimalistic table, and it doesn't make things too bulky in here. And now I'm gonna use the same light that I had before, but I'm just gonna change it to a different spot, and I'm just gonna place it on the side right here. So finally the fun part comes, where I get to stage this place and decorate and make it feel cozy as a closet for me to work in. So I love this part, whenever all the mess is done and all the arranging is done, and finally you get to decorate and make the space more personalized. I think that's my favorite spot, and I think a lot of us can agree on that. Here I have my little guy helping me and bringing all the stuff. He's like, "Mom, you should put this here and there as well." So he brings me stuff, and I get the pleasure to place them. So this galvanized little basket or bucket I got from Michael's. It was super cute, and I got it at 50% off. I think it's a good place to put like pens and a nail filer and anything that I would need on a regular basis. And you're gonna see me throughout the space just putting things here and there and rearranging. I'm sure everyone is like that, and you don't necessarily know exactly where things would go until you play around with it till you're happy. So here I'm just gonna put all of my stuff and make this space work for me. I decided to also bring my Cricut machine here. I'll be actually putting it on the top shelf on top of this office or closet space because sometimes I like to print my decals and stuff while I'm upstairs and not necessarily downstairs in my craft room. And this Tabasco basket, I made it using some dollar store Easter baskets last year. I didn't share the tutorial because I wasn't completely happy with how it turned out, but now that I place it, I think I'm okay, and I think it looks neat. And so let me walk you through office space. So these French doors, I replaced them a while back, 2 years ago, and I replaced the regular closet door into these. I think it looks really nice. I have a beautiful chair that is really minimalistic, my functioning light that I really love as well, a picture of the family while I only had 2 kids and now we're up to 4, so definitely need an updated picture. And as you can see, my Cricut is up there as well as my printer, and I have printing papers, some of my bullet journals. I would love to do some bullet journal videos as well on my channel. Let me know in the comment section below if that would be something that you would be interested to seeing, because I would love to do that. I've been bullet journaling for a while. I've stopped for a year or so and I came back to it and I love doing that. So let me know if that's something that interests you. Those mason jars, I did that for my YouTube channel as well, and there I'm just gonna fill it up with some markers and some pens. So this is how everything looks like. I'm in love with my new closet office space. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye bye.